for this lady. She totally butchered my hair. It looks absolutely horrendous. No one was happy with it. Everybody thought it was ridiculous looking.
It's coming from my salon, this extension. What is
Oh
that?
my God.
Style this.
Oh my God.
I'm not trying to be an I'm sorry, but I'm pissed off.
That's crazy that they let her leave the salon like this. A model says her hair was butchered during makeovers on cycle 16 of America's Next Top Model, so much that the owner himself had to get involved and try to fix it. That's how bad it was. So let's take a look, shall we?
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, they're just gonna get straight into it.
What am I getting? Is it going short? Laurent, the owner of the salon, he's like, are you ready? You're going to go short, black, with bangs. He just grabs my hair and snip, 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 and within 3 cuts, my hair was about to here. Right now, I'm just kind of plain Jane, and I blend in with everybody, and they know what it takes to make someone stand out and look like a model, so I fully trust them.
Et voilà.
I'm a small town girl from a trailer park, and I love being here. It's just incredibly beautiful, the whole experience, because I get to meet these amazing people that I never expected to meet in my entire life.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Try
Wow.
both sides so we see your angles.
Yes, working
Okay.
the angle of that hair all the time.
Gorgeous.
Like, I definitely don't feel like myself anymore.
It looks a little bit like Willy Wonka. A little bit. I like the length on her. Could she open a chocolate factory? Perhaps. Maybe it's just the like compactness of it that's throwing me off a little bit about this haircut. I don't know.
I'm a whole new person.
It looks nice.
I'm nervous. Don't be. So I get in my chair and they put curlers in my hair. I guess I was the big girly and curly, which I already am. I expected straight hair, just because I have curly hair. But
Don't
this is
question
fine
it.
with me.
Now,
Okay, there you
realize that
go.
once you leave this
Thank
chair,
God.
There's a razor back there.
Wait, what?
Did you know that?
Wait,
How
hold
do you
on.
feel about that?
There's a razor back there. Okay, let's rewatch because I guess I missed something.
Me.
Now you realize that once you leave this chair, there's a razor back there.
Okay,
Did you know that? How do you feel about that?
it's good. I hope the razor is doing great.
Psych.
Oh, okay.
Gorgeous.
I was like, what do
No,
you,
I'm
what do you
here
want
to
her to
win
say?
this competition.
He's like, there's a razor back there. I'm like, great. Thanks for letting me know. Do you need me for something, Miss J? That's what I would say. Like, why are you talking to me right now with my nice curly, voluminous hair? Is the time to make jokes while you're sitting in a salon chair on America's Next Top Model? The answer is no.
It's like, this is super amazing.
When you really want something and it's your passion, then you just have to go for it and do whatever it takes.
Oh, she looks amazing.
I'm so happy. I'm glad they're adding and not taking away. I'm getting fusion bond extensions in my hair, so I'm actually adding hair and not cutting it. I get my way. I love my life. I always get what I want, usually. Is it good?
Yeah, no, I love it.
Thank
It's
you.
very sexy, but that's your whole thing anyway.
Right.
Yeah, so you have to try hard.
Right.
You just kind of just wake up in the
Such a
morning.
problem to be sexy.
Isn't it
Yeah,
horrible?
it sucks.
Oh my
I'm
God.
a little curvy. I definitely
That
do have more of
conversation.
a-
It's just so hard being this good looking. It's terrible, isn't it? It's a drag. I could be doing so many other things if I wasn't so good looking. Not that you would understand.
Okay, well, I love that for her. She's happy. She likes her hair. She got what she wanted.
Thank you.
It's very sexy, but that's your whole thing anyway.
Right.
That's
Yeah,
her
so you
whole
have to try
thing.
hard.
Right.
You just kinda
She
just
never
wake up in the
tries
morning.
hard, no.
To be sexy.
Isn't it
Yeah,
horrible?
it sucks.
It's terrible.
I'm a little curvy.
Absolutely
I definitely
dreadful.
do have more of a figure than the rest of the models here.
Beautiful.
I just need to work on not being so sexy with my poses.
Okay. She looks good.
Weave. I just want to weave, Tyra. Just give me long hair. Do you want to lick me?
Do you want to look at?
I'm getting the manly short brown spikes.
Isn't
I
that
can
what
already
she
tell
said?
That's what's going on. My gender identity is muddled with a lot of masculine, a lot of feminine. I have a hairy neck. They thought cutting my hair short will highlight my androgynous features.
But you were hoping to get a weave.
I wanted long waist length hair, but because I have a very special sort of face.
Oh, yes, you do, girl.
The manly kind of face.
Oh, yes, very manly.
Relax and really give it to my camera, okay?
I think this look
I don't
does
like
make me
it.
look more edgy. It's gonna make me work a lot harder because all the attention is now on my face. I don't have hair to work with or play with.
I don't know if I like this haircut on her. I love the color though. I think the color suits her so well. She says herself she wanted longer hair, waist length hair. And then they gave her, and she even guessed it. She's like, I know they're gonna give me this haircut. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this on her? Did you want to see her with longer hair? Because she herself wanted to see herself with long hair. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know.
They touched up my roots and they're adding wavy long hair. When I love my hair, I feel like something's going wrong and I have like a very good intuition. There's some flat pieces and there's some squished round pieces. I know what they're supposed to look like. They're supposed to be perfectly round where they're like beads.
Who does that? Like, they're the hairdresser, not you. Like, she thinks that she knows everything. Was I complaining when they chopped off my hair? No.
You know what? Okay, first, just, I get sidetracked sometimes. I'm sorry. Brittany's hair is looking great in this interview. Okay, so I guess I do like it. It does look Willy Wonka inspired, but it's like the fashion assistant of Willy Wonka. She puts together his outfits for that morning at the chocolate factory for his morning shift with the squirrels.
I don't like fake hair. And I want it to be looking okay if it is.
It will be beautiful. Don't worry about it, okay?
You promise?
I promise. It will be fine. We're going to take care of you.
Even the ones that are already done?
We will take care of it. Don't worry about it, okay?
Alexandria, the way she handled herself and treated the people in the salon made me just want to go yell at her for it because she just thinks she runs everything.
This is so intense.
It was totally unacceptable.
I think it looks good. Well,
After I got help with my hair, I absolutely feel like I'm on track.
okay. So she likes that. Oh. Sometimes when we get our hair done and it's something new, like even extensions, if it's something different, we start to panic. We're like, wait, I'm not used to this. I wasn't ready for this. And then we start to, like, I relate to this a lot because sometimes I can judge something before it happens. And then when it happens, I'm like, it wasn't so bad. I don't know why I freaked out. So I definitely get it. I don't think she was being rude by any means. I think maybe she was like panicking a little. She's probably like, I don't think it's supposed to look like this, or she probably should have just waited it out and to wait for the final product, right? Because she's judging it before they're even finished. And when it was finished, she loved it. She was like, oh, I love it.
Promise.
She's not being like mean.
Even the ones that are already done?
I think she just wanted reassurance and validation. This woman is taking care of it perfectly. She's reassuring her. She's telling her it's gonna look good. We'll take care of it. Perfect. I think it was it was a normal interaction to me. But yeah, I just think she should have waited it out a little bit. It was like prematurely judging it. But I feel like that's a very human thing to do. We all do it, especially when it comes to our hair.
I need it done my way. My way's the right way because this is a competition.
Give me like a wicked eye, yeah. Like that, exactly.
Okay.
And if I don't feel confident, and if you're screwing with that confidence, then you're screwing with me.
Her hair looks amazing.
All right, I'm ready. Whenever y'all ready, I'm ready. I'm getting this kinky red with the matching eyebrows.
What's wrong?
I was thinking I was gonna like it, not to like it.
You need to stop controlling. Being a top model in this business,
Dude,
is
he's
not
trying so hard
about-
not to laugh. I'm sorry. He's about to laugh at this. Mr. J was gonna laugh as he was telling her, "You need to not stop control. Stop it.
Being a top model in this business is not about being safe. You want to do something. You want to pop.
I'm excited yet scared. It's just so out of my element. But I think that the color actually makes me stand out, so I feel like I look more like a model now.
Now
wow.
Miss Mouth. And we're like, maybe you should trust in those
Miss
who know
Mouth.
what they're doing.
You know, the thing about being a model is you have to stand out and be unique and be you. And so I feel like this is bringing a more unique me.
Oh, yeah, I think it looks good on her.
All I know is I'm getting a weave of some blonde, curly something.
You know, I've never really had big hair. My hair likes to lay flat and straight. So it'll be new, but I think I can work it.
Oh. So, Molly, we've brought in an outside weave specialist because to do this kind of weave on this kind of hair will be difficult for anybody. So we'll have to see if how this all turns out. So what's happening
That
here?
looks painful.
I'm looking at tracks of hair. I'm looking at basket weave.
Hair is very slippery, it's very fine, and we decided the net would actually be too much, so we created our own net.
So you're going to do it in a circle.
That looks great.
Okay. Sit down, baby. I can't wait to see what happens.
I am realizing that this is kind of looking a little weird. It was just not looking like what a weave should look like. I don't want to be the one girl who gets the crazy hairstyle that looks horrible.
Looks interesting.
This lady, she totally butchered my hair. It looks absolutely horrendous. No one was happy with it. Everybody thought it was ridiculous looking.
It's coming from my salon. This extension, what is that? Twisted Sister?
Oh
Trying to
my
think of how we
God.
could style this some sort of way for the picture and then correct it after. And he's going to create that magic, darling.
Oh my God. The salon owner's like, wait, this is coming from my salon. I don't think so. He said Twisted Sister.
Twisted Sister?
Oh my God. I don't know why they gave her a weave. Why don't they just style her hair? To me, it looks terrible, but it could, for the hairstylists out there, they might look at this and be like,
Masterpiece. Incredible. Incredible work.
and I wouldn't even know. I wouldn't know. I would be none the wiser. But the owner of the salon looks very concerned. He's like, she's going to come out of my salon looking like this. She's going to scare people on the streets.
I am getting super long, black, gorgeous straight hair. I feel like a little mermaid.
For the past 6 years of my life, I've really started to get into modeling, but I need something to propel me.
Feel that length of that hair.
Maybe there's an intimidation factor to me.
Gorgeous.
I definitely think people should be looking out for me in this
she's
competition.
gorgeous. Everyone's getting a weave.
The wild, crazy crimped hair. I have never had this much hair in my life. I thought I had a lot of hair naturally.
Ready?
I love my makeover. It's wild and crazy, but so am I. So I think it fits my personality. Bigger is better, right?
Yeah, I love it.
I'm definitely ready
Looks
to
good.
be a cover girl.
I've never had like a net sewn
A
to my
weave
head
and
before.
another weave.
How my parents raised me, it was kind of like, you need
Is
to
it
be
the same?
reserved.
Is it the woman from before that did the other one? They're like, hey, we need you for another girl. You're not done just yet. Everyone is getting hair sewn in on this season. I've never seen anything like it.
How my parents raised me, it was kind of like, you need to be reserved with your body. It's like your temple. You just want to be subtle with your posing.
Wow.
Stay tall.
Oh my God, you look so
I
good.
do feel like this is going to help me look more model-esque.
Oh my God.
That looked really pretty.
Because before, that ponytail needed some help.
Amazing.
I got my highlights and I also got my eyebrows lightened, which I really like because it makes my eyes pop a little bit more. I feel like I could be in a hair ad. I love it. I just felt like a little bit more like luscious and sexy, which before I didn't have, and I think that's gonna help my confidence a lot in the
Wow.
competition.
Amazing. These makeovers are so good so far. But what's going on? What is this?
Laurent, the owner, he's awesome, and he was trying to make it look somewhat presentable for a picture.
Now you work your magic.
I just want you to understand one
I think
thing.
that made it worse.
This is really Tyra's vision. I mean, she really wanted you to have
Stop. This looks so much worse. It took three people to make it look like that. It's time to scrap it and just abort mission. I mean, this was looking decent, and then I don't know what this man did. I saw him with a can of hairspray at one point. They were blow drying this for some reason. There's nothing you can do.
I just want you to understand one thing. I mean, this is really Tyra's vision. I mean, she really wanted
Is
you
it?
to have this look. And you have to kind of treat Tyra as the client. Can you prove to the client that you can own that look?
Okay, I gotta shoot this, guys. And I think with this hair, too, you can work the hands up. Don't
Okay.
hold onto it, but work the hands in it like that, you know?
Love the idea of the huge blonde hair, but it looks horrible. So I'm not happy with it whatsoever.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Tell me why they needed to have a weave. So, like, her hair looked fine before. Why couldn't they just curl it? Was it necessary for them to do all this? Why is it looking like this? It's like she got static shock or something. From here, it's like pinned down and then it just goes up. The vision was there. No one saw it, though. Notice how Mr. J brought Tyra into this while he's talking to the model. He's like, you know, this is what Tyra wanted.
I mean, this is really Tyra's vision.
This is
she
Tyra's
really wanted
vision.
you to have this look. And you have to kind of treat Tyra as the client.
You kind of have to treat Tyra as the client. That means zip it. Don't question what Tyra wanted. That's what I hear from this. This area here looks kind of straight and then the rest is like curly. What's going on? Yeah, it doesn't really look that great. Do you guys see up there how it's like crunched down like this and then it goes up?
So I'm not happy with it whatsoever.
Her hair looked so good before. I don't know why they did this.
I'm not.
Oh my God.
I'm not trying to be an I'm sorry, but I'm pissed off. My hair is disgusting. My whole head hurts. My ass hurts. I sat in a chair for 6 hours. She stabbed me in the head with needles all day.
I knew my girl, and I stood up. Everyone knew it. But you should have been like, stop doing my hair.
Molly sat there and kind of just let it happen.
Tyra's the client.
I can't stop laughing about it.
But no, Molly, it's really pretty.
It's pretty if you couldn't see my hair where
Yeah.
it meets the tracks right.
She's absolutely right. She's absolutely right. You can absolutely see it. Because it's like the weave starts here, but then you can see all her natural hair over here, and it doesn't blend properly. Oh my God. Alexandria telling her, you should have just said, please don't give that advice for this show. Did you hear Mr. J giving the Tyra speech that this is what Tyra wants? And her hair deflated 80% in the car. I mean, when we last saw it, it was like up to here, and now it's like dehydrated or something. It looks completely different. You can see right here. That's where her hair is, and then this is where the weave starts. That's crazy that they let her leave the salon like this. Molly has a point for sure. The way I would have made them remove this.
But no, Molly, it's really pretty.
It's pretty if you couldn't see my hair where it meets the tracks braided into my scalp.
I felt bad for Molly just because it was that horrible. But she's one of my top competitors. But if she lets this hair ruin her, then it's kind of like one less person I have to worry about.
She has a point. She has a point. Well, hopefully they're removing that for her at some point, because that's going to grow out very weird.